What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated brow routine, okay guys? And I'm only going to be using 2 products. So one of the many tools that I do have is this spoolie, and I'm just going to be brushing out my brows and just looking on how I want to do them. So today I am going to be doing a natural brow, so it's gonna be like my no makeup kind of brow. So I wanted to show you guys, I got this really cute mirror on AliExpress for like $2. It's so cute and I love it. So not only that I'm using 2 products to do my brows, is the fact that you can find these products in your local drugstore. Okay guys, how amazing is that? So what I'm using on my brows as of now is the Brow Wow from Elf, and it's basically brow fibers. Like, it has little fibers in it and it has a tint of color. I got the dark brown one. They did have a black, but basically this is just like mascara for your brows. The cool thing about this product, and one of the things that I love about it, is that if you're on the go, you can just swipe this on and it places your eyebrows really good. So as you can see, I do have some patches on my eyebrows. Ask me how I got them, I have no idea, okay guys? So I am going to go in with some eyeshadow just to darken it, because the tint is not that dark enough to where it's going to cover my bald, patchy brows. So I'm going back in with my spoolie. You guys, I'm not sure if I told you that this is a spoolie, but I just call it my tool because I'm not really sure if it's called a spoolie. I've heard other people give it that name, so yeah. So sometimes I like to wear my brows like this with no concealer. It's up to you, but I am going to add some concealer to this look. So I'm going in with my not angled brush, it's a concealer brush by Elf, and I did mix those 2 concealers together just to get a shade that was going to match my skin tone, because usually if I'm gonna wear my brows like this, I don't usually do a full face of makeup. So yeah. So here you just want to take your time and you're gonna follow your brow. You're not gonna go in, you know, try to make it skinnier, try to make it fatter or whatever. You're just gonna follow what you made. If you did make a mistake, you're gonna conceal it, of course, but since I did a good enough job where I didn't make any mistakes, I'm just gonna go over just to make it more, you know, make it pop more. I know what you guys are thinking, is my eyes playing tricks on me? No, it's actually the lighting. I do have my lights on and my ring light, but it was pretty windy, so the blinds were moving all over the place, which disturbed my lighting. Why was I just about to say lightning? But it disturbed my lighting, so I'm very sorry about that, you guys. Didn't notice until I was editing. So a little backstory on this beauty blender. My puppy Bailey, she likes to play with things that are not her toys, which I paid money for, and she doesn't play with her toys, but she ended up biting my beauty sponge and actually eating it. So I didn't want to throw it away, so I'm going to be using the back, and you guys, of course I cleaned it. So I'm going to be giving myself some beauty taps, which is just tapping motion to blend out the concealer. You can use a wiping motion if you have too much on, but it's ideal that you're just going to tap. So right here I'm just comparing the finished brow and the not finished brow, and boom, they're both done. And there you have it, loves. This is my quick updated natural brow tutorial using only 2 products that you can find in the drugstore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.